What is up, everybody? Welcome to a quick tutorial on where to download the drivers as well as the VCM editor and VCM scanner for your MPVI 3 or 2, 2 plus or 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your laptop, you're going to open the HP Tuners website, which is hptuners.com. I'll also drop the link for you in the description. What you're going to do is you're going to go and click on downloads. And you're going to go to the download page. This is basically where you download everything, such as download the VCM Suite. This consists of the VCM editor and the VCM scanner. You can also get the beta version. So basically the beta version is for the newest cars that just came out now. That is not in the stable version yet. So if you're going to be tuning in one of the latest cars, go for the beta version. I'll be tuning it on my A4 Quattro, so I know I'll find it on the stable version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click on it. It popped up right over there. And then we can go through it as well. If you have got the MPVI 2 drivers, you're going to click on this one, or the MPVI drive, the normal MPVI, you're going to get these drivers over here. So this is also my first time I'm going to be downloading the the drivers for the MPVI 3. So most people say they are using the MPVI 2 driver. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it as well. It just popped up over there. And then there's a few more other things you can download if you want, such as the product information media, as well as the brand guidelines and media. So what we're going to do is we're quickly going to wait for it to finish up. And once it's finished up, we are going to go and quickly install it. And I'll show you guys how. Alright, so once you have downloaded your HP Tuners VCM Suite, you'll find it under Downloads. Most probably what I did was I just dragged it here to my desktop. So we're going to quickly double click on the VCM Suite. So this is where we're going to install it. We're going to say run. It's going to say preparing to install. So far you don't have to plug in your VCM tool or nothing. This is just installing everything on your laptop or your computer. Depends which one you want to tune your cars on. So we're going to go to next. I'm going to say accept the terms and agreements, and we're just going to keep it at HP Tuner VCM Suite. That is fine with me. We're going to say next, and we're going to say install. Okay, so it's finished. It was pretty quick. We're going to go and hit finished. I see it did not make a desktop icon, but I believe if we click on the start, it should pop up right over there. So we can actually just drag it, if I'm not mistaken. If my computer will allow it. No, it doesn't. So, but we can anyway go and pin it. We can always go to the pin to start. Oh, there we go. So we pin it to the start, and then we can drag it from here onto the desktop. So here's our VCM scanner. Here is our VCM editor. Perfecto. Okay, let's just quickly move this up. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our CDM. This is the drivers for the MPVI 2. So basically you can open it with Windows automated compression. I think they call it zip. Or you can, zip, there we go, compressed zipped folder. Or you can get WinRAR, which is also like an extractor for compressed files. So we can double click on it. Basically what you're going to do is we're going to click there, just drag it to our desktop. So it popped up right over here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to double click on it. We're going to say yes. And we're going to go to extract. Then it just extracted the entire file. So now we're going to install it. We're going to say next, I accept, next. So this is basically for your MPVI tool to work on your laptop. Once again, there isn't one for MPVI 3, but they say on the forums that people use the MPVI 2. Even in the manual of the, let me show you guys real quick. In the manual we get within the box, right over, is it this one over here? VCM, I saw it somewhere because I just went through it. They basically say that you must go, here we go, go to HP Tuners, downloads, locate in the menu downloads and install the latest version of VCM Suite. Open the VCM Suite, select the help tab to resync your interface, which is to resync your MPVI 3 tool, and then your MPVI 3 is now ready for registration. So they don't say anything about downloading any drivers, but people say they do download the MPVI 2 driver. So I just thought, let me just add it. If it's not needed or needed, it will be there. So we're gonna go say finish, and we're gonna go and let's open on VCM Scanner. So basically these three things, you can hide them away, put them somewhere, or probably delete them. It's all up to you. Okay, so it just opened. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. I'm super advanced. Oh, sorry, I just read their Spark Advanced. So I'm super excited about this. So yeah, they say you're gonna go to help, you resync your interface, but we're gonna leave that for another video. This is how you download your VCM Suite. I do hope that you guys found this video very helpful, educational, entertaining, whatsoever. If you guys did, please make sure to support the channel by subscribing and hopefully seeing more of these HP tuning tutorials and some tuning in the future as well on my beautiful A4B8 Quattro over here. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see all of you legends in my next video, but for now, peace out.